Hey everyone, it's Pegmis here with another weekly print. Learned some things recently. If you get acetone, so stuff like this, generic acetone, and then some of the plastic failed prints or scraps like this garbage down here, and add it to a glass jar, it makes a little slurry. And that slurry is good for keeping plastic from peeling off the printer. Warned that if you put it directly on the print bed without a way to take it off, it will stick to the print bed, and you may have to disassemble things like I did. Secondary, we have in the background, there's a little black spool right here. That is my jerry rig set for keeping the plastic flowing from the spool directly. I've got my blue painter's tape to protect the print bed, and today we're going to try printing out an arch to see how well support structures work. So be warned that this acetone plastic slurry mixture will dry on your fingers or hands, kind of like how super glue leaves a hard and crusty layer. Feels kind of weird, but it's not dangerous for as far as I know. Alright, well, we're going to get started as soon as I set this up. And we're back. As you can see, the print came out pretty decently, so let's get off the print surface and see what we got. That's the tape. That's fine, I have more painter's tape. Okay, so now the inside of here is actually super thin. This is just meant to support the arch aspect of it, which came out pretty much perfectly smooth. All you have to do is just wiggle this around. And you have pretty much a perfect arch. So that is this week's print. Next week we'll have hopefully something a bit more interesting, but I was just testing out support structures. Alright, subscribe if you're enjoying this.